Hello young innovators, welcome back to AI and Robotics Club. Last week you built your very first AI game. That was a huge achievement. But today I want to teach you one of the biggest secrets in technology. Professional developers almost never get everything perfect on the first try. The first version is only the beginning. Every successful game, every popular app, and every amazing website has gone through many improvements. Today, we are going to focus on improvements and problem solving. And we are going to improve our game and create it version 2. First, let's go to your game and play it. Right? Check everything. Right? So one thing I note that I cannot stop it. Alright, I can check all the buttons here. They are working. They are working. They are working. After playing this game, ask yourself, is everything working correctly? For example, in the game, if I wanted to exit, I could not. Is the game fun? Can I make it more exciting? Maybe you want better graphics. Maybe you want sound effects, more sound effects. Maybe you want a new level. Maybe you want a timer. Maybe you want power-ups. Write down your ideas. And in this game, this is only one player game. I would like to add a friend to play with. Next thing is that I am going to ask ChatGPT to find the bugs, what's wrong with it, suggest some improvements, write upgrade prompt. Then I am going to copy the prompt and improve the game. Now let's go to the ChatGPT and I am going to tell it, I created this game in base 44. I want to improve me. Please ask me question one by one like a professional game designer. I am just going to give it this prompt. Alright. And I am just going to let it execute. Notice one thing, that I did not immediately ask for a prompt. I first asked ChatGPT to understand my game. Professional developers first understand the problem before suggesting a solution. Now you can answer the questions. Please choose one and tell me in your own words. What is the most important feeling you want children age to have while playing Captain Greenaton Green Planet Challenge? Fun and laughter, excitement and challenge. Okay, I am going to tell it excitement and challenge. It's excitement and challenge. And there is one more thing I noticed, that it is only one player game. I want two players to play it. One is playing with the arrow keys and another one is playing with A and D. And one more thing I want, there is only one music. I want uh, two or three musics, so I can choose whichever I like according to my game. So I have told ChatGPT what I want, right? What is the goal? For example, I can tell it what is the game's goal, what age it is for. It has already knows that it is for 10 to 14. What is missing? I told him what is missing. What would I like to improve in it, right? I'm going to tell it one thing, and one more thing, that during the game, if I want to terminate the game, I can pause it, but if I want to terminate it, I cannot terminate it and go back to home screen. So I have told him the problem as well, right? Now let's go it and let's see what ChatGPT does for us. Okay, now what we have decided here, add a two-player mode, player 1 and player 2, and game can have some selection. It has given me another suggestion that it can be single player and two players as well, and it has a practice mode as well. It can be optional. Okay, it is going to add 3 music options, and we can turn the music on and off and the volume up and down, and improve the pause menu, resume game, restart game, return to home screen, settings, exit current game. Alright, before exiting, it should ask you, are you sure you want to leave the mission? Yes or no? And it is giving me another suggestion. In two-player mode, both players should compete with each other. Whoever catches more clean energy items win the mission. That's good suggestions. Okay. Alright. I think I am going to give it both modes. So it can be team mode and competition modes. Okay. Both modes, team mode and the competition mode. I would like that. Now please write the prompt for me so I can add to my version 1 of the game to create the version 2. Okay. After clarifying all the bugs and all the things I want to improve in my game, I am just going to ask him to make the prompt for me, and it is going to write me a prompt. Okay, it want to ask me, alright, for version 2 I would like to suggest something. It is suggesting me some things: single player mode, 2-player team mode, 2-player competition mode, 3 selectable background music themes, return to home screen, exit confirmation, better sound effects, more exciting animation, the best score system for both single player and 2-player, random bonus items that appear occasionally, winning celebrations with fireworks and confetti. Okay, it is given me very good suggestions from the discussions I did with it, and now I am just going to copy this one. Simple is that. I can read it. It has given the same things which we have just read, and it has given all the things in that. And I am going back to my Captain Granatron Clean Planet Challenge game in base 44. I am just going to paste here, and I am going to enter the game. So the thing is that why we are using ChatGPT, we can ask the same things here in base 44 as well. As we do in base 44 is going to consume our credits, and we will not have the credits left for creating the games. Okay, now it is reading and developing it. It's gonna take a few minutes, and it might be asking me some questions as well. Now it took a couple of minutes and it made the game for me. It has upgraded it, and you can see this change in the home screen. And if I am going to the instructions, I can see all the instructions here. Move Captain Greenotron left to right to catch the falling items, right? And it has shown all the things how to play, and it has single player mode, it has a team mode, right? Player 1 with arrows, players 2 with A and D, and there is a competition mode as well. ठीक है ना? Space to port, touch button on the mobile phone if you are playing on the mobile phone. Okay, now let's see, go back and let's play it. Okay, it is going to ask me, that was not before in the first version. Now in version 2 we have a single player, 2 player, and we have player versus player. Let's try player versus player. Okay, I can see and okay, I can exit the mission here. I can resume, restart game. Okay, return the home, and in the music I can add some other musics. We have superhero mission and space nature adventure. If you want to increase the volume or decrease it or turn it on or off. Okay, so that's how we did some of these changes and upgraded our game. In today's mission, we played our game with thought of improvements. We asked ChatGPT, we copied the prompt, we pasted in base 44 and tested version number 2. Today, you will become the game developer by yourself. And in your mission for the next week, you are going to do the same things and send me the copy of your version 2 of the game. You have to upgrade your game. You can choose at least 3 improvements, add sound to it, add points, add lives, add timer, whatever you like. Alright, and you need to submit the version 2 and tell me what has changed in it. Okay, we want to start something new from today, and that is your developer's diary. That developer diaries will have 3 questions for every mission. On one page for one mission, and 3 questions are: what did I build today? What problems did I solve? What will I improve next time? As a developer, if you keep this diary, by the end of our 100 missions, you will become a professional full-time developer. That's all for today. See you in the next mission. Bye bye now. Take care.